Welcome to Jazz Time. JazzTime.com is an online store that buys, sells, trades authentic luxury watches. We make these videos so our customers can easily choose the best watch for themselves in the comfort of their own home. If you like this watch and would like to purchase it at the lowest price anywhere online, click on the link in the description below to buy it at JazzTime.com. Today, I will be reviewing the Panerai Submersible 42mm reference PAM02683. With a black bezel and in steel. I'll tell you a little bit about the case bezel dial bracelet movement, finally try it on and give you my thoughts. Before that, let's start with a small overview of Panerai. Well, Panerai is one of the few companies that is designed by Italians. I actually cannot think of any other watch brand or a major watch brand that was designed by the Italians. It has a very long history. In fact, Panerai was supplying watches to the Italian Navy, I think quite a while ago, something like in 1940s or something. And they didn't make a whole lot of watches, but in the 90s, they were bought out and they are now owned by the Richemont Group. Richemont Group is a huge luxury brand company that owns a bunch of different watch brands, Panerai being one of them. And since then, they've really gone on to really explode and be a big player in the market, because with the backing of a group like Richemont, they're able to really ramp up production, do a lot of different models, make their process streamlined, etc., etc. And the result is what you see. Very many variations and very many very high quality watches. Okay, now with that said, Panerai makes four major collections of watches. They make their Luminor, their Submersible, Luminor Duo, and Radio Mirror. What you're looking at here is the Submersible. As you can imagine, the word submersible implies that it goes into water. It's a diving watch, which is what they're known for. And this is the result. This is your prototypical submersible. Any look at this, you can immediately recognize, yes, definitely this is a submersible. Okay. So, and the submersible itself has many different variations. They have it in pretty much every variation. They have it in steel and titanium, different dial colors, in bronze even. They have it in gold, Carbotech, you name it, they pretty much have it. This is your basic version though, steel with a black ceramic bezel. So that is, yeah, it's your prototypical looking submersible. Kind of like a Rolex Submariner, except it's for Panerai. Okay, now let's start talking about the watch itself. Starting with the case. The case is 42 millimeters. It's brushed steel. That means it has doesn't have high polish. Some cases are high polish, but this is a diving watch, so it makes sense that it would be in brushed steel. That means it's like a satin finish. Okay, it has this cushion-shaped body that Panerai is known for, that they put on their submersibles. Also a very nice body, 42 millimeters. Now, Panerai also makes 44 millimeters. Most of their watches before, like 10 years ago, were all in 44. They hardly made any 42s, but 44, let's be honest, is a little bit big for many people. So 42, for example, like myself, I have a 7.5 inch wrist. 42 is actually just perfect for me. It's not too big, not too small. Of course, I could wear a 44, but 42, is just right. And it looks great on most people's wrists. So a lot of people are going with 42 now. 40 was a little bit small, because Panerai is not meant to be a small watch. It's meant to be a big, bold watch, So, yeah, 42 is a great size. Okay, and that's one of the main reasons I'll get to when I think that you may want to purchase this one, because of the size. Size does matter, of course. All right, now that's the case. And part of the case here is that it has this very unique crown guard lock. This is what Panerai is known for. It's a crown guard that looks like a half moon shape here, and it's meant to do two things. One, to prevent the crown from getting hit and ultimately destroyed, because that would be the weakest part of the watch. If you hit the crown, the stem is easily broken and you could destroy the watch, and therefore no more watch. Putting the crown guard on stops that, prevents that, which also serves a secondary function, which is aesthetics. It also is unmistakably Panerai. No other brand does this. I think the only other brand that kind of does something similar is the Ballon Bleu Cartier, but that is like a totally different watch, and it's dress watch. So as far as sports watches go, nobody else does the crown guard quite so beautifully and cool to mesh both form and function into the crown guard. Okay, with that said, let's move on to the bezel here. Now the bezel is a ceramic bezel. It actually is a matte finish, so it doesn't look like, for example, like a Submariner has a shiny finish to it. It has a matte finish, meaning it's not shiny. Matte means no shine to it, but it is ceramic, so it actually looks like kind of like a rubber, or like an aluminum or something, but it's not. It's ceramic, and they do that so that it does not scratch easily. Of course, it can scratch. I'm not saying it does. Anything can scratch. Even a diamond can scratch. You can scratch a diamond with another diamond, actually. So, or you can smash a diamond even with a hammer. But anyways, so it has a bezel that is less likely to scratch, or scratches not as easily, and it maintains the color and look to it for much longer. It's just a much more durable way to present the bezel when they do that. It's okay. So there you have it. Let's move on to the dial here. The dial here is black dial and has luminous markers. Panerai is known for having very easily readable watches. They have the date at the 3 o'clock and the small seconds at the 9 o'clock. It's a very typical submersible look. It's just time and date, more or less. And they do a great job of it. Easily legible under dark light conditions, such as if you're diving, right? Okay, now that is the dial. Let's move on to the movement. Movement here is covered, and you might wonder, well, why can't you see it? Well, on some of them you can. On this particular one, this is more toward the base model of submersible. It's so they don't allow you to see it. I'm not sure why exactly, but the caliber on this is a P900 caliber, and it has a 3-day power reserve. And yeah, it's quite a nice movement. I believe it should still be an in-house movement, if I'm not mistaken. You can correct me if I'm wrong on that, but I believe it should be. It's automatic, but you can't see it. But you get a cool picture of a submarine, or like looks like a submarine with two people on it or something on the back. It looks very cool. Okay, and it might have to do with waterproofness, that they don't want to do an open case back because potentially it could like fail or something. So they figure, well, you're supposed to use this for diving. Okay, let's talk about the strap. Now it has this rubber strap. You can change these straps. This one has this quick release. You simply press the button right here. So you don't have to fuss around with some funny ass screws and stuff. And then you push the little pin on the other side, and it'll come out. Now, yeah, it's very nice. You can also put this on a gray textile strap, or canvas strap. Also looks very cool if you don't want to put it in rubber. Okay, that's it. So time to try this watch on and give you my thoughts. Now, I'm a pretty big fan of Panerai. I think it's a nice watch. I like the look of it in general. I like that they keep true to their heritage. They don't change the design much. Yes, they do many variations. So, but every brand does that. AP does that. They do so many variations on the Royal Oak and their offshore, and Panerai is no different. And so is actually every other brand. For example, Cartier does a lot of variations on their Santos Dumont or Santos tanks, etc. So yeah, they do a lot of cool variations. It's a top brand. It's this watch is retailing for $11,000 as of 25. And the good thing about Panerai is almost every, I want to say actually almost every, I don't want to say every, but almost every Panerai, like 99% of them, are selling under retail. So you can get this watch for much, much less at jazztime.com than you would as simply buying it full retail plus tax at the authorized dealer. And that definitely is a benefit for a lot of people because, who wants to pay full retail? Whereas on many other brands such as AP and Patek, you're paying full retail plus tax, and the depreciation on it is not pretty, right? So it is quite a bit nicer so that's one consideration. Okay, and we're selling it for, let me see, something like something in the 8,000 range. So that's quite a bit off. What is that, 20 something percent off or something? It's quite a bit. And there's no tax, don't forget, if it's leaving California. Okay. So anyways, and also the size, it's just a great watch for $8,000, $9,000. It's hard to get a watch of this caliber and this coolness, this uniqueness. And And it's just, I think it's a really nice watch that you can wear, very sporty, very cool. And yeah, look, if you want to buy it at the lowest price anywhere online, click on the link in the description below to buy it at jazztime.com.
If you want to find out more about the watch you just saw in the video, you can just click below on Show More to see the full description. Then you can check the link next to model as seen in video, click on it and you will get to the proper page where you can see all the details. If you're watching on a mobile phone, you have to click on the arrow down on the right hand side below the video to see the full description. If you like this video, please give us a thumbs up. If you would like to share this video with your friends, you can use the share button below and share it on any platform you like. If you have questions, constructive feedback, want to tell us about some mistakes or misspeaks, just write a comment below. If you want to see more videos like this, you should subscribe to our channel and visit our channel page where you can find all the videos. And if you're interested in a specific watch brand, you can check out our playlists. If you want to check the price for a watch or want to buy one, remember at jazztime.com you always get a steep discount, so you should check the prices with us. If you want to know the price for a specific watch, just go to Google, type in JazzTime, plus the brand, model and the details you're interested in, and Google will find the right page for you. Thank you for watching.